everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Today we are making Kadai Paneer. This dish is named after Kadai, which is an Indian wok, but it doesn't necessarily have to be cooked in it. It is a combination of tomatoes, onion, bell peppers, ginger, garlic, spices and herbs. This is a must-try recipe for vegetarian people or even if you are planning to go vegetarian. Paneer is a form of cheese in which milk is heated deliberately and split into cheese curd and whey with the help of some acidic ingredient. This differentiates it with other famous world cheeses like cheddar, parmesan, etc., which uses rennet to coagulate milk into solids. This is a hearty and famous North Indian dish which is rich in protein, fat and other micronutrients. Paneer is a key ingredient for vegetarian in India as it is rich in protein. So let's start making it. Here is a quick look of whole and grounded spices we are using to make it. To begin with, pound coarsely whole coriander seeds in mortar pestle. Then take it out and keep it aside. Coriander is a second key ingredient in this dish. Heat up a kadai, an Indian wok or any other pan with a lid on a medium heat. Then add ghee, clarified butter or any vegetable oil of your choice. Once oil or ghee is hot, add bay leaves, small piece of cinnamon stick, star anise and cloves. Then add freshly crushed coriander seeds. Once it starts sizzling and turning into deeper color, add minced garlic and ginger and cook it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then add onion and cook it until it turns pinkish or translucent. It will take somewhere around 60 to 90 seconds. Now add tomato puree and your other spices like salt, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder and mix everything well. Close the lid and cook it until oil separates from masala. Then add your mixed color bell peppers and combine it well as well. Add little water if required. Cook it only for 60 seconds as we want to retain the color and crunchiness of pepper. Then immediately add cubed paneer and mix it gently with masala. Add garam masala and kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves powder at the end. Mix it well and turn off the heat. Remove whole spices before serving only. Then garnish it with chopped cilantro generously. You can enjoy it with naan bread or chapati. This recipe is very close to my heart as this is one of my husband's favorite dish and I have shared a small story and some other detailed information in description box. Paneer is available in all grocery stores under dairy aisle and even you can get it the cubed ones. You can also find naan bread in any grocery store and for chapati you can find it in Indian grocery store. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. We'll meet you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye. Take care.